Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraiser is informed when an appraisal order is put off, like resumed after putting on hold. As you can see, this appraisal order is on hold and I can't do the inspection as it is on hold. And now it needs to be resumed so I can do the activities. So we'll go back to the main screen and in few minutes you'll see that the ops admin has resumed an appraisal order and we can do the inspection. As it was this appraisal order that was on hold and now it is resumed and it says the inspection scheduling is needed. When we click on this and when we go back to visit inspection, we can see that the order is resumed and there are latest updates that are needed. And we can do the scheduling of the appointment. And you can see on this bell icon when I click, so it says the order has resumed and I will get an email as well for this that the order has been resumed. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.